G'day, here's a couple of pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Rules and millimetres, materials wetted, white that you're seeing there. There's the lights reflecting off the water. This is an interesting piece. When you look at it from the side, it's got different sort of like levels. This might lend itself to be one of those classic carved pieces with steps in it. It's not evident there's much colour elsewhere in it. It's almost like it's broken apart. And where the opal was is where it broke on that sort of seam, but anyway, it is what it is. And, might be a good place to start if you want to try to do the free-form carving type job. This is an interesting, pretty piece. Layers of colour, undulating. Again, you could use this piece as another free-form carved piece. Put a string up the top here and have it dangle down. Look quite effective, I think, this piece, if you wanted to do that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.